So recently, the YouTuber Jeff Wittek put out an update to the situation that he has with his fellow YouTuber David Dobrik. Okay, but in case you don't know the lore, David Dobrik is a vlogger. He vlogs, he does a little vlogging. But basically, he had a lot of controversy, and the amount of uploads he does now is very low. He doesn't even upload anymore. And specifically, he had a major situation that occurred with Jeff Wittek, where essentially during the filming of one of his vlogs, Jeff Wittek got hurt because David Dobrik was swinging him around on an excavator, and because of that, there's been a major lawsuit where Jeff Wittek is like, well, David Dobrik hurt me, and like David Dobrik should pay. David Dobrik hasn't paid him. Personally, if I almost killed somebody and I was a multimillionaire, I feel like I gotta pay this guy a lot of money. But whatever. I guess David Dobrik's lawyers feel otherwise. Jeff Wittek also claims that the speed the excavator was going was much higher than what David Dobrik told him he was going to do. Now, I do get the argument that, hey, Jeff Wittek has a certain amount of personal responsibility, which is true. But legally, though, I do think it looks like Jeff Wittek has the up on this. I do feel like this becomes a work environment hazard when David Dobrik is filming something for his vlog. It is his set, and he should be in charge of making sure that it is safe, right? So it's kind of like a work environment hazard thing, which is why I think Jeff Wittek legally has the right in this situation, at least seemingly in my opinion. I'm not a lawyer, I don't really actually know. But I do know that I'm not the only one that has made that exact claim. State Farm, which is David Dobrik's insurance, has claimed that they are not responsible for paying for Jeff Wittek's surgeries because it was a work environment hazard because David Dobrik was vlogging. That's his brand, that's his business. So yeah, it kind of doesn't seem too good for David Dobrik on winning the case. And for a while, we were kind of left in the dark about Jeff Wittek's situation with David Dobrik. They settled out of court, yada yada yada. But finally, Jeff Wittek put out a statement, an update on it, where what he says is this year he's finally expecting to make progress in his case against David Dobrik and hopefully win, is basically what he said.
I mean, one of them is finally get justice in my case because this motherfucker's pushing it back more and more, lying, getting caught in lies. Now it's just getting uglier and uglier. I want to get this wrapped up. I want justice, and that's something that now is pushed to a whole nother year because of this fucking weed.
He also says that the case has been pushed back or was pushed back, almost implying that David Dobrik's lawyers have been trying to delay the case as long as possible. But I don't know, honestly, based on all the information that is public, I'm sort of siding with Jeff Wittek on this one.